That's one of the patches of spuds we have. We have put wire up because chickens and rabbits, and my husband plants away all these spuds, all sorts of different varieties. We like to keep lots of varieties of things if we can. There's more black currants growing here. Thankfully this year the late frost didn't get them. Last year it was a bit of a disaster, and we just left what did set for the birds. Thankfully I had some in the freezer, but yeah, that was a bit sad. But this year they're grand. This side we've got more spuds, and that's the garlic, which will be harvested in a wee while. It's doing quite well through the low arch. Yeah, and you'll see the legume garden. That seems to be working nicely. We have actually extended it now, so include the spud beds as well. But I've been planting the beans and peas here for the last several years, and in line with ideas of Shumi natural agriculture, where you continue to plant things where they like to grow. So you can see they're all doing pretty well. We've got Magnum Bonum peas, a landrace of 4 different broad bean types, and down at the end there is runner beans, a mixture of 2 types that I grow together. So this year I did something different. I decided not to bother with starting them in the tunnel. I just planted all the seeds straight into the ground, and that's proved successful because I've still got enough beans and peas in the freezer, so I don't really need them early. And I also made a new type of structure for growing the runner beans up, so it doesn't close off at the top, it's open. I just saw it on a program on the telly, and I thought it was quite an interesting idea, so I thought I'd try that. Because they do tend to gather up at the top, and you can't actually get in to get the beans. And I think that might be better for them. We'll see. And over right on the far edge of the wire, there are some sweet peas I've planted. They're doing really well. I thought they'd be demolished by slugs, but nope. Now, I did plant these in the tunnel in pots to start with. You can just see they're coming on nicely there. So hopefully we'll have some flowers later. So I do love sweet pea. All the slates and whatnot around the edges just stop the birds pulling and poking away the edges, because we don't like them. We'll lift them then once the spuds get up. You can see there's all sorts of stuff being used to just maintain those edges. That seems to work okay for us. And that's a nice willow fedge. Might have to repair the bottom of it again. It's all fallen to bits. And here's the new lane, which is coming on quite nice actually. It's slows mostly on that side, and this of course has been here forever, as you can see. That's the bottom of the old garden. So there's plenty of old hedges and things, and we've been trying to renovate some of the hawthorn as well, because it all got up and away. I made some willow panels to let us into the hen pen area. That's where they live, and they're not out and about. And they're out and about at the moment, so seem to be safe enough at the moment. We won't speak too soon. And that's it. This is the top end of the well lane. You can see.